What's up guys, Jason here, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a duplet. So all you need is 2 balloons. So you can use it in you can use this technique in any other sizes, 5-inch, 11-inch. So yeah, so first you need to do is inflate both balloons. One more. Okay, so now we have 2. What we're gonna do is take 2 balloons, cross them over. Okay. Now all you need to do is take this one and put it under the loop. So now you have this. So now what you need to do is twist one time, make a loop like this, and put this inside this loop. Just pull it and you're done. So this is how you make a duplet. So if you find this video useful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.